Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Rafiul Biswas. I am doing my PhD uh, in computer science and engineering here in Hamad bin Khalifa University uh, under Qatar Foundation. So I have been experienced in teaching programming uh, for the last 2 years here in Qatar. So if you need any help in learning your Python, C, C++, Java. I can help you. So I many student I have already taught here for the last 2 years here in Qatar. Also I teach in before. So if you need any help, please feel free to contact with me. I will be happy to help you. Thank you so much.